Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good evening, my viewers. It's Basira Ugochukwu Abdullahi. Okay, I want to share something interesting with you guys. I made a video, some time ago where I was addressing those people that that are calling us names, that are hating on us, we the Igbo Muslims, and I saw this beautiful comment under that video. Like, damn, this comment is really inspiring. It's really encouraging. This our brother here, just read it. This our brother here happened to be a Christian before he became a Muslim. And guess what? Before he became a Muslim, before he embraced Islam, he used to hate on Igbo Muslims. He used to call us names, But today, he is one of us. He's a Muslim now. Mashallah. Mashallah. Like, I'm just so happy. The more people, there's something these people don't understand. It's all these our Igbo brothers that are hating on us because we are Muslims. There's something they don't understand. And that thing is this. Islam is growing rapidly in Igbo land. Like, it's spreading like wildfire. Like, damn, a lot of people are embracing Islam in East, and it makes me feel happy, like feel relaxed, like feel reassured that yes, my fellow Igbos are getting to find more about Islam. It's not all about social media ranting. It's about finding the truth. He searched for the truth and he found it. Damn, like he made the research. Guys, I don't even know what to say anymore. Like, I'm just so happy. Thank you so much, brother, for this beautiful comment. This your comment will really help a lot of people. Yeah, those people, those Igbos that are seeing the